Today I'm unboxing the Vitamix Propel Series 750 blender. Look at this sleek black finish. So professional. First impression, this 64-ounce container is huge, fits under my cabinets, but still large enough for family batches. Let's check out what's inside the box. Motor base feels solid and heavy-duty. Low-profile tamper included for thick blends. Nice touch. These stainless steel blades look razor sharp. I'm excited to test its power. 2.2 horsepower, wow. Plugging it in, I noticed the intuitive control panel. 4 blending programs: smoothie, soup, frozen dessert, dip, variable speed dial, and pulse button for precision. Let's start with a classic green smoothie. Adding kale, frozen berries, banana, and almond milk. Lid fits snugly, and there's a slot for adding ingredients. Selecting smoothie program. Let's see how it performs. Blender roars to life, so powerful, blends effortlessly. No chunks left, just a silky, smooth texture. Pouring out the smoothie looks perfect, tastes even better. Now let's try making hot soup, just veggies and broth. Using the hot soup program, no stove needed. Blender heats through friction. Soup is steaming hot. Texture is creamy, no lumps, impressive for a blender. Next, frozen dessert, just fruit and a splash of milk. Blades crush ice and frozen fruit instantly. Dessert comes out thick like soft serve. Cleanup time, trying the self-cleaning program. Add water and soap, hit the button, wait 60 seconds. Container comes out spotless, no scrubbing required. This saves so much time after meal prepping. The metal drive system feels durable and reliable. Vitamix claims it lasts up to 10x longer than average. Backed by a 7-year warranty, peace of mind for families. Blender is BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and easy to handle. I love the versatility. Smoothies, soups, dips, desserts. Pulse function is perfect for chunky salsas and ice crushing. Variable speed lets me control every texture precisely. Great for health enthusiasts and busy home cooks. Perfect for prepping big batches or quick snacks. If you want professional results at home, this is it. Only downside, it's an investment, but worth every penny. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Check out the Vitamix Propel 750